This is me Tasnia. Welcome back. I wish a good day for all and I hope you all are going well. Today we are going to discuss about a initiative topic that we should need in our daily life. That is how to handle failure. We should not only know to handle success but also know to handle failures. That may be knowingly or unknowingly. The result should be success. When we got a failure, the best answer for that failure is we know which is right or which is wrong. So basically there are three identical steps to handle failures when we are under a particular environment. The first one is increase your knowledge. That means you continuously acquire knowledge that will help you to find out the new strengths in you. Second one, break the limit of imagination. Break the limit of imagination means you don't break the limit what you are dream. When you are dreaming big, the success will be on the same level. When you break the limit, it will change the world around you. You take C.V. Raman, or you take Einstein, or you take Newton, or maybe you can take Chandrasekhar. They all collapse the wall in front of their dream and achieve what they need. The third, very important and the best tip you should practice in your daily life, that is you must have an innovative character. That must have a concise work on that. The concise effort leads to achieve what you need with the help of universe. So you don't forget to practice the basic three identical tips. Once again I am repeating, increase your knowledge. Second one, break the limit of imagination. And the third one, you must have an innovative character. And I give you an offer that I will share a special mantra. You should practice this special mantra early in the morning. When you wake up, you don't rush from the bed because that is too much hazardous. According to you, you can sit as comfort as you can. But you don't forget to practice the above tech tips and the coming special mantra. The first mantra is I will create a aim. Second mantra is I will acquire knowledge. Third mantra is I will do hard work. And the fourth mantra is I persevere and succeed. You know Mr. Yusuf Ali. Actually, we all are well known about him because he is that much famous. He took 46 years to earn the name what we heard now. So you don't think I am not able to achieve things or I am too late, some errors or some problems I am suffering. You don't think so, because every strategy will come up the end. But we need only one thing, we should practice and we should work for that. So you should try to achieve the level of success by handling failure. The one thing is that from destiny, the success will not compare. The success compare with our decisions.